Being lazy can be very profitable. Now, to quote Walter Chrysler, whenever there is a hard job to be done, I assign it to a lazy man. He is sure to find the easiest and simplest way of doing it. So there is both a difficult and lazy way to success. The difficult way is to work hard for 60 hours a week for decades. You sacrifice life now in the hope that a much more pleasant life is in the future. Now, the lazy way is quite different. Just focus on the outcomes that you want today and then find the easiest way to achieve those outcomes with the least effort, least sacrifice, and the most pleasure. Concentrate on what produces extraordinary results without extraordinary effort. First think results and then look for ways to get results with the least possible energy. Now, to give you an example, Cindy Cashman had an idea for a book called Everything Men Know About Women. The book was 100 pages long and inside was nothing but blank pages. Cindy liked the fun nature of the book, but didn't like the idea of having to work hard to make sales. She looked for ways to sell her book without effort. Cindy ignored the traditional bookshops as she felt her book would be lost competing with the tens of thousands of other titles on sale. Instead, she approached women's clothing stores, florists, cafes, hairdressing salons, beauty parlors, anywhere where she thought women might see it. And she asked them to put it on display by the cash register. Now, women shopping in these stores would pick the book up because of its catchy title. And they'd obviously laugh when they saw the joke, and they'd then think, well, who can I buy this for? So they'd buy a few, one for themselves and others to give as gifts to people they knew. Now, Cindy kept the price low and sold millions of copies in the USA. Cindy Cashman went on to become one of the most successful self-publishers in the world, all by looking for ways to achieve results with very little relative effort. In your own business, always be on the lookout for things that you can do that are of low effort but high rewards. Now, a simple example is sending a thank you note to a customer who has made a purchase or paid a monthly invoice. If you send them a thank you note, together with maybe a special offer if they make an additional purchase, customers will take advantage of this and probably make another purchase, giving you an additional sale. Now, that sale, that'll increase revenue and increase profits, all with very little effort on your part. Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to know more about business sales, increasing the value of your business, increasing the profits in your business, start right now and hit that subscribe button. There it is, hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss any further videos. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, give me a comment down below. I read and reply to every comment and I'd love to hear from you. Until the next time, see you again.